Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today I'm excited to show you a sleek new upgrade for your 73-9 truck, our blacked out bedside emblems. In recent years, Ford has made black emblems the hallmark of its sport and blackout appearance packages. Now you can bring that same modern style to your classic truck with our premium satin black emblems. Designed to match the originals in every way except for their contemporary finish, these emblems let you give your vintage Ford a bold, fresh look and are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company. Our blacked out emblem is die cast just like the factory originals, but features a striking black satin finish. It's versatile, fitting both the driver and passenger side, and installation is a breeze. Simply use the included locating pins and clips for a perfect fit, with no special tools required. If you're going for that distinctive blackout appearance, this emblem is a fast and easy upgrade that will make a dramatic difference in your truck's appearance. Discover this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.